the alternator in, all of a sudden the fuel pump go bad?
Well, clearly something happened by the time she dropped it off and now, right? So yeah, to answer your question, yes. I'm sorry that that. So here's the thing. I understand where you're coming from, and I get where you're where you could be frustrated. I understand, I get it, but at the end of the day, it doesn't change my answer. Right now, the fuel pump's not running, and the car's not starting. So yeah, we have to check the fuel pump circuit.